Get a free web design quote. Do you have a question on a web design or a web marketing project for our experts? It's free to ask. If you're getting started and need a website or you're ready to design a website, we can help. Get your free web design quote. It's essential for every business to have a website that reflects the best and most professional online identity for their business. A well-designed website will help you get more prospective clients from the internet and will also promote your business in an effective manner. A little, maybe a lot more exposure can't hurt at all. So go ahead, get your free web quote. Call 855-283-5553. That's 855-283-5553.